One-legged inverted star pose or Eka Pada Viparita Dandasana. In Sanskrit, Eka means one and Pada a leg of foot. Viparita means reverse or inverted. Danda is a staff or rod, a symbol of authority and punishment. It also means the body. Eka Pada Viparita Dandasana requires a great deal of flexibility, especially the back. It is a combination of Ranasana, wheel pose, and Shasasana, headstand. Begin lying on back with the knees bent and the soles of the feet grounded, hip width apart. This is the starting position. Inhale, expand the chest with the support of the upper arms. Exhale, lift the hips up towards the sky. Bring the palms on the floor and position above the shoulders, with the fingers pointing towards the heels direction. Inhale, press with the hands and the feet, lift the head up and rest the crown of the head on the floor. Stabilize the legs by hugging the legs into midline and pressing through the big toes. And with exhalation, the fingers are walking towards the heels to lower the forearms down on the floor as if it's setting up into Shasasana. The elbows are at shoulder width distance, the fingers are spread out, the legs are hugging through to midline and the feet is pressing through. With an inhalation, lift your chest higher and bring the head in between the elbows. The ankles are not directly under of the knees. Stay with the knees bent in Dvipada Viparita Dandasana or two-legged inverted star pose. Upon gaining more flexibility of the upper back, walk the feet away from the hands to straighten the knees, and the chest is moving in line with the upper arms. This is the final pose of Dvipada Viparita Dandasana. Breathe while holding the pose. Upon gaining more flexibility of the upper back and the strength of the legs, transition to Eka Pada Viparita Dandasana, one-legged inverted staff pose. Hold your hands together and clasp your hands as in setting up in Shasasana. This helps you hug in the arm more steady towards the midline. With an inhalation, the chest is pushing away from the upper arms and the left foot is pressing through. This gives the lift of the right leg towards the sky. The shoulder blades are pressing towards the back of the ribcage, and the right toes is pointing strongly towards the sky. Breathe while holding the pose. To release, exhale, lower down the right foot. Inhale, set up the hands on the ground and gently push your body up into a wheel pose. Exhale, head look up and lower the upper back, mid back and lower back on the ground.